head over to show you now. The next shop is the I Love Dooney. This is Dooney and Bourke, Dooney and Burke, one of their sites. Now, this is and I actually have one, so I like tried some things out with it. So this is the It shopper, and it's in the clear. Get the clear. So it meets, we have a little charm here. So your little stylish little students can add some charms on the bag. It has the leather straps, nice colors here. Now, this shopper is a medium. So I wanted to just try some things out. So I have here a tablet, and the tablet does fit in here. It's the long way, the short way, I'm sorry, horizontally. Now, vertically, if we turn it up, it fits as well, but it hits near the rim of the bag. So I'm going to turn it horizontally, right? So we have that there, still with plenty of room. And let's see, let's put a notebook in there. So I'll put my little notebook in here. Got the notebook in there. And let's see, for accessories, I have this little pouch, matching pouch that goes along. I just threw some little pencils and a pair of scissors in there. I'm going to drop that in there. And we have a little shopper tote that your student can use to carry to school. Now, I don't know. I'm going to try this. Let's see, we have a Stanley water bottle here, and let's see if I'm going to flip this down for a moment. And let's see if we have any room. And I think I'm going to turn this up. Maybe I'll turn it up this way because I think it'll fit better that way. So that comes right at the edge. So if we're carrying a water bottle, we can carry that. Just make sure if you're carrying a water bottle with electronics that it is spill proof, that you're not messing, you're not damaging your electronic products. So here we are. Our next bag is the Dooney and Burke It Shopper. And you can purchase this bag on the ilovedooney.com site it's on sale now for $59. And the pouch is $39. So you can get your kid a Dooney and Burke shopper that they can use for school. And we're going to come back and we're going to take it up a level, and we're going to talk luxury. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.